First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, navigate to Screen Time. After opening Screen Time, scroll down and look for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. In the Content and Privacy Restrictions menu, locate the iTunes and App Store Purchases option, which is usually the second option. Tap on it. Here, you'll see an option for installing apps. If it is set to Don't Allow, change it to Allow. Once done, go back to the previous menu. Next, find the Allowed Apps option, again, usually the second option on the list, and tap on it. Look for your browser, Safari. If the browser is disabled, enable it by toggling the switch. For instance, if Safari is disabled, turn it on. After enabling your browser, go back and find the Content Restrictions option, which is typically the third option. Tap on it and then scroll down to find Web Content. If the content is restricted, set to limit adult websites or allowed websites only. Change it to Unrestricted Access. This will complete all necessary settings. Finally, ensure that web search content is set to Allow. If it is set to Don't Allow, change it to Allow. Once all these settings are configured, return to the home screen. Open the App Store and search for APK Downloader in the search bar. Download the APK Downloader app. After installation, you'll be able to download and install any application using the APK Downloader app.